Okay, today we will start in the first part of the newest Tajimeat. Okay, each day we will put 10 questions with their solutions and illustrating video for them for only the newest Tajimeat. Okay, the first problem we have here, we have x over y equals 5 and he wants you to get x plus 3y over y. We have the value of x over y. Okay, x over y x over y equals 5. Okay, and he wants you to get this one, x plus 3y over y. How can we get the value of it? It's meaning that we will take this part alone, which is x over y, okay, and the other part, which is this one, which is 3y over y plus 3y over y. Okay, we have the value of x over y, which is, we have the value of it, which is 5, plus y over y, they will go with each other, so it's meaning 3. So the answer will be 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Here is the first one. The second one, here we have two cars left at the same time from city A to city B, and the first one, which is traveling in 100 kilometers, the first one 100 kilometers, the fast of it, okay, and the second one, which is 120, the second one, which is 120, and he wants you to get the difference between their arrival times in minutes, knowing that the distance is 480 kilometers. Okay, so I want you to take care of that. He wants it in minutes. Okay, in minutes, not hour. Okay, how can we get it? First, we have the rule, which is time equals speed, distance over speed, distance over speed. Okay, which is for triangle, we know it. Okay, here we have distance and down we have time, and we have the speed. Okay, so how can we get the time for the first one? The time is the distance for both of them. The distance for both of them is 480, so 480 over speed of the first one, which is 100. Okay, this for the first one. The second one, which is the same, 480 over 100. Okay, 480 over 100, it will be 4.8. The second one, 480 over 100, they will go with each other. It will be the second one, sorry, it's not 100, it's 120. Yeah, 0 will go with 0, and 48 over 12, it will be 4. Okay, so we have 4.8 and 4. Okay, what's the difference between them? The difference between them, it will be 4.8 minus 4. Okay, 4.8 minus 4, which is 0.8. Okay, but he needs it in what? In minutes. Here, which is in hour, because we have the speed in hours. So 0.8 times 60 to convert it from hours to 2 minutes. Okay, how can we convert it? 60, which is meaning 6 times 8 times 10, right? 60 meaning 6 times 10. Okay, so 0.8 times 10, which is 8, and we have here 6. Okay, so 8 times 6, which equals to 48. So the answer will be 48. Okay, next one, here we have circle, which is for school. It has 240 kids in general. How many they are in the grade 5? Okay, here we have the degree, which is 90, the angle 90. Okay, and here we have the angle, which is 120. So we will add them to each other to get the angle of grade 5, which we need to get the number of them, and take them from 180. Yes, so sorry, not 180, 360 for all the circle. 360. So 360 minus 90 plus 20 plus 120 to get grade 5. Okay, it equals to 210. طيب, and then take 210 from 360, it will be 150. Okay, so the angle of grade 5 is 150. Okay, okay, now we get the angle. How can we get the number? He didn't need the angle, he needs the number. All of them is 240. Okay, type to get 150, we will write it as a ratio. Okay, here, which is all of them is 360, all of the angle, yeah, all of the angles, and here the angle which is 150. Okay, down we will write the total number of the kids, and here which is the x which we need to get it for grade 5. It's okay, total opposite to the total, and here the part opposite to the part which we want to get it. Yeah, type, how can we get it? To get x, we will cross multiplication like this one. Yeah, so x equals 150 times 240 over 360. Yeah, how can we get it? 0 will go with 0, and dividing by 12, here it will be 2, simplifying, and dividing here by 12, it will be 3. Okay, and then 15, we will take 15 only. 15 divided by 3, which is meaning 5, and here we have 0, so it will be 50. So equals 50 times 2, which is in the up, so equals 100. So the number of them will be 100. Here we have the angles, and he wants me to get x plus y, which is this one equals to this one. Okay, okay, so how can we get it? We know that we have, if we have two angles which they are opposite to each other, so they are equal to each other. So this one will be equal, will equal to 140, and this x equals y. How can we get them? All of the angles are 360, so 360 minus this one and this one. Yes, to get x plus y, equals 360 minus 140 plus 140 equals 140 and 140, which is 280. From 360 it will be 80, so the answer of it will be 80. Okay, if you want only x or only y, we will divide 80 over 2 because they are equal to each other. Next one, here we have father, which is age now equals to 8 times his son age now. Okay, so if the son equals x, so his father 8 times of it, so it will be 8x. Okay, after 19 years the son will be 23. After 19 years, which is meaning that x plus 19, his age will be 23. Yes, so now we have equation, we can solve it. So x plus 19 equals 23, so x equals 23 minus 20 minus 19, sorry, we will take it to the other side. So x equals what? Equals 4. So the age of the boy is or the son is 4. Like, how can we get the father now? The father is 8x of it, yeah, so which is meaning 8 times 4, which is 32. So the age of the father, which is 32. Okay, here we have 20 pens, yeah, the pens are 20, and we have notebooks which they are the same 20. The price of the notebook is double of the price of the pen. يعني if the pen equals x, the notebook is doubling of it, which is meaning 2x, double, which is meaning 2 of it. If the total was 60 riyals, what is the price of one notebook? Total of them, which is meaning the pens plus the notebooks, are 60 riyals. Okay, which is meaning adding of them, which is x plus 2x. Yes. Okay, but how many pens we have? We have 20, so it will be 20x. And how many notes we have? 20, which is meaning 20 times 2, which is 40. It will be here, it will be here 40. So 20x plus 40x equals, all of them equals to 60 reals, yeah? 20 plus 40, which is meaning 60x equals to 60. So x equals 2 real. So the price of the pen is 1 real, but he needs the price of notebook. Okay, type notebook is doubling of the pen. Type the pen is 1, so doubling of it will be 2, so the price of the notebook will be 2. Next one, here we have Ahmed has 240. Ahmed has 240 riyals, and Muhammad, here it's for Ahmed, okay, and Muhammad has 100 riyal. Okay, if you give 5 reals to Ahmed, I will give 5 reals to Ahmed and 12 reals to Muhammad. How many days will it take for them to have the same amount of money? Okay, okay, it's like sequence. If we adding 5 here and then adding 5 and then adding 5, and here's the same adding 12 and 12, we will take a lot of time in it. Okay, so how can we do it? Okay, we will try. Okay, and here we will try the bigger number. We will try the biggest, sorry, number. Okay, in the choices. Okay, here we have the biggest number, which is 20. Okay, so I will increase here 5 and I will increase here 12. So I will times 12 times 20, okay, which is for Muhammad, and 5 times 20. Okay, 20, which they are the number of days. Okay, 12 times 20, it will be 24. 0, we will put 0 the same, and 12 times 2, which is 24, and 5 times 20 is the same, put 0, and 5 times 2, which is a 100. Okay, yes, it's okay. So Ahmad, we will increase it how many? 100. Okay, and Muhammad, we will increase it how many? 240. Okay, and then we will add. If they are the same, it's okay, it's right. If they are not the same, we will we will try the less number. Okay, okay. So Ahmad, 240 plus 100, it will be 340. Okay, 100 and 240, it will be 340. So they are the same. So the correct answer, which is 20 days. Okay, here it's a fraction. How can we solve it? Okay, here they are very easy. We will simplify only in 1 over 0.5 times 500 over 0.2 times 4 over 1000. Okay, how can we solve it? 0.4, which is denominator, okay, and if we make it into proper numbers or into fraction, it will be 5 over 10. Yes, and here's the same, 500, and if we will make 0.2 converted to fraction, it will be 2 over 10, the same, and here we don't have anything, it will be the same. Yeah, okay. If the denominator of the denominator will be numerator, okay, so we will take 10 and put it in the up, and here the same, we will take 10 and put it in the up. Okay, so it will be how? It will be 1 times 10. 1 times 10 in the up over 5 times 500 times the same, we will take 10 to the up over 2. Okay, and here it will be the same. Okay, how can we complete it? 0, the two zeros will go with the two zeros. Okay, and 4 divided by 2, it will be 2. It's okay, type, and 10 divided by 5, it will be the same 2. Yeah, so okay, here take care, it's 3 zeros. Okay, 3 zeros, so we will take this 0 with this 0, so the remaining is what? The remaining is, okay, So the three zeros here, I will make them in red color. The three zeros here will go with the three zeros, and 4 divided by 2, it will be 2, yes, and 5 will go with 5. So the remaining, which is 2 and 10 here, 2 times 10, it will be 20. So the answer will be 20. Next one here, he wants you to compare between negative x and 0, okay? Okay, negative x, it's meaning that it's positive x, it's okay? And the other one, which is 0. Okay, here we can't compare because x, it may be a negative number or positive number, okay? So we don't know the value of it. It's bigger than 0 or less than 0, or equal to 0. So we will choose that there is not enough information. Okay, here how can we get it? Which one of them, of the options, is the approximate of 9 over 2 plus 9 over 2? Okay, okay, how can we get it? Approximate that we will get, we will make round, okay, rounding for it. 9 power by 2, which is meaning 10 power by 2, plus 9 power by 2 will be the same 10 power by 2. So here we have 100, and here we have 100, 100 and 100, which is 200. Okay, which choices here, they are 200. 120 plus 80 equals 200. So the answer will be this one. Okay, today we finished the first 10 problems, and if anyone had any problem, any question, he can ask. Okay, thank you.